The Importance of Mindfulness and Vigilance by Mipham Rinpoche. Namo Guru Manjusiye. When we settle evenly to look within, our mind's wild, discursive thought appears as limitless as ripples in a river, as indeterminable as a cloudless sky, as unceasing as a mighty torrent, and as aimless as the passing breeze. Indulging in this throughout time without beginning has not brought us even the slightest benefit. Now, setting ourselves up for such effects again in future, it is as if we're tormented, possessed by demons, or diseased. By continuing to indulge negative habits and tendencies, we'll revert, like an unfurled scroll, to the same predicament. It is these waves of uncontrolled distraction that are the source of the harm we inflict upon ourselves. When, therefore, we establish the sentinel of mindfulness, we must eliminate entirely all ideas and imaginings about anything other than the primary object of focus. Then we must calmly maintain such presence and vigilance and quash anything that might stir or arise within the mind. Unless we can maintain an uninterrupted chain of vigilance, the samadhi of samatha will prove elusive even after 100 aeons. In time, when demonic thoughts lose their strength and the mind is workable, engaged, or settled at will, the qualities of samadhi will arise within the heart. Until then, don't stop, child, but let familiarity increase. Mipham Rinpoche wrote this on the 4th day of the 2nd month of the water snake year, 1893. Mangalam. Translated by Adam Piercy, 2022.